Hello? This is a state set video from my car. It's hoping to get that last song in the video. Which I was going to sing. 60 and you know it. Or 60 and I know it. Something like that. Anyway, yeah, that was... Rewind. Alright, the state set video. This is what I got. Book about Genesis. Quiet Talks on Power. Hint, religious books always sell pretty well. Hint, children's books don't always sell well, but I like them, so I buy them. This is Beatrix Potter. It might have been part of a set. Well, yeah, it probably was at some time. Birds. This is cool. I just saw a flamingo, pelican. Lots and lots of birds. Rescue the Perishing. It's a religious book. Around the World with Children. This is a primer with Eskimos. A Sunday school hymnal. A songbook. Another songbook. Book about the tabernacle. This is a primer, I guess you call it. These books always do well. By Madeline Brandis. I recognize the name. So I picked it up. Favorite recipes from famous eating places. This was done by the Ford Motor Company. It's kind of cool. It actually has like the restaurants. And it looks like a restaurant from those places. Uncle Remus. Finally, roundabout Greenock. And this is a town, maybe, yeah. West Renfrewshire in North Cunningham. Do I know where that is? I have no idea. Alright, that's it for today. I know, just boring books. I could do a little dance, but you won't be able to see it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little dance. Woo! Bright light shining in my face. Okay, that's it. Alright, bye.